welcome to my channel, Krrish&Abhi. Let's learn something new together. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Hello guys, welcome to my channel, Krrish&Abhi. Did you ever think that you could see sound? No, but I'm going to show you one way you could see sound. So for that, you'll need sprinkles, kitchen wrap, a bowl, and a plate. You'll need help to wrap the kitchen wrap onto the bowl. Now you see my mom wrap the bowl with the kitchen wrap. Now I'm going to put the sprinkle over the bowl. Going to talk right close to the bowl. Did you see that this one just moved? Young, dong, and bro. Young, dong, and bro. Young, dong, and bro. Young, dong, go high school kid. Now this time a lot of moves. This is how we could see sound. Cool experiment you could do at home. Yes, it is. It is so cool. Why don't you try doing it a lot of times? If it doesn't move, just try to make them small. Once you make them small, they will move. Thanks for watching. I hope you like my video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye. Young, dong, young.